Good morning, everyone. Good
morning, ma'am.
morning. How's everyone? Why am I not able to hear everybody?
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Can you hear me now, beta?
Yes.
Wow, that's great. What about others? How's everyone?
Only 2 more days.
Sorry?
My birthday.
Wow, that's really nice. That is your birthday is on 12th?
My birthday is in 12 December.
Wow, that's really nice.
Yes.
Happy birthday in
Mine is on
advance,
12.
beta. But then we won't be able
My
to
birthday is
celebrate
on
it.
Sunday, but
Yes, we won't be able to celebrate it. That's sad. What are your plans? Are you going to celebrate your birthday?
we are going to Lonavala.
That's really great.
Again, we went 3 or 4, since 4 years we went to Lonavala.
Wow. And how old are you now?
10.
10. So you'll be going almost after 6 years. That's nice. Enjoy. Have a great day ahead. Hope you good luck in your future. Study hard, work hard, and then inshallah. And tell my kids, see, I had a student called Aisha. Now she's become, what do you want to become, beta?
Artist.
Artist or scientist?
Ma'am, I made yesterday something I want to
Yes, please show to me. Where is Subhada dancing? Subhada, you dancing?
Ma'am, look, this is a Snowflake art assignment.
What did you make, Vita? What is it?
Snowflake art assignment.
Oh, you made this out of those paper rolls and all?
I made out of paper, glue, and scissor pencil.
Wow, that looks very nice. Can you show it to us again? Because now your internet connection is stable. I'll be able to see it properly. See, again, it's breaking. Wow, that's very nice. Like, is it a showpiece or something? Like, what is it exactly?
This is like a snowflake.
Okay, nice. I like your artwork. The teacher's also very nice, I must say. She's got very nice creative ideas.
I have to stick these together because the end is not coming in shape.
Yes, you have to stick it together so that you'll get a perfect shape of it. What about others? I can see Adiba. Why are your cameras turned off? Please turn on your cameras, beta. Yes, Subhad, I can see you. See, for such lovely faces, and then
How can we show that plants need water to grow? What sort of investigation we can do?
I'll tell you that. Okay. So is everybody ready? Can I start with my sessions? I still request everybody to please turn on the cameras because when I don't see your face, it seems like I'm talking to myself, which is very boring. Please turn on the cameras if it's possible.
Grass can't grow. grow on like quicksand. They can't grow. Do we have to write over here or anything?
No, ma'am not come. Don't write.
Ma'am is there. Yeah.
Okay, kids. So where were we? We were learning about plants require light
How,
and water.
how can we show that plants need water
I'll just
and light
explain
to
it to
grow?
you.
What sort of invest?
I'll explain to you. Don't worry. I've got this pop-up over here. I just want to. Yes. Okay. What sort of investigation
on
we all can do
top
is
again.
what you will be doing. Great. Okay.
Do
So
we
what
have to write?
you're supposed to write? You're supposed to perform an experiment that I'll explain to you. Don't worry. Okay. Write down 2 or 3 ideas about how you will carry out an investigation. This will be your plan for your investigation. Okay. Water and light. What we all are going to do is now we'll be doing one experiment.
Do we have to write from water?
I'll tell you, but don't worry. Let me just explain it first and then we'll write it. Okay. So what are we going to do is we have pulses at our house. Moong, matki, whatever dal you have, you can either put it in water or you can put it in soil, whatever is convenient for you. Okay. 2 days you're going to show it proper light and give proper water to it. After 2 days, that is today is Friday now. On Sunday, not Sunday, on Monday, you will keep it in a container. In a cabinet. You have those closed cabinets in your houses. We all have closed cabinets.
Yes.
So we are going to put that plant, the plant that will grow, the tiny plant in a cabinet. And there in a cabinet, the sun will not be able to reach. You will not water the plant. So what will happen to the plant eventually? The plant will die. This is what we will investigate and see that without sunlight and without water, the plant will die. I hope you all are very clear with this. What are you going to do? You will be taking any pulses, any seed that is available in your house, immerse it either in water or in mud. For 2 days, 2-3 days, keep it in proper sunlight, give proper water. After that, what are you going to do? You are going to put it in a closed cabinet. And then you will watch the plant dying in it. Okay? Okay. So what are we going to do? Investigation 1, water. And investigation 2,
right?
I'm telling you.
We did this.
Okay. So in investigation 1, we are
Ma'am,
going
we
to.
did this.
I think so. This is not
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. It's great to see Ahmed Wasim. I only saw your picture. It's great to see you, beta. Where were you? I never saw you. I could only see you being connected to the class.
See?
Yes, I can see
I'm
you now.
Nerul.
Okay, you're Nerul. But why didn't you ever join the class? You could only hear me. I never saw you.
He joins late sometimes.
Okay, he joined late, but I don't remember him turning on his camera. Anyways, Okay, what are we going to do in investigation 1? We are going to put water in it. Okay, we'll be having 2 subpoints for each. Okay, I'm writing and you all are supposed to note it down in your notebooks.
Yeah.
In investigation 1, we'll be watering plant regularly. So what will we observe if you water the plant regularly?
Watering the plant regularly will make them grow.
Very good. So water plant regularly. Everybody will be noting it down simultaneously. So what prediction will happen if you water the plant regularly? What can you conclude? The plant grows. Right? And in investigation 2, I would say do not water plant. Do not water plant. So what will happen if I do not water the plant?
They will die.
Yes, they will die.
Can I write that one?
You want to write it over here?
Yes.
Yes, please go ahead. Do not water the plant. So what will happen? The plant will die.
Yes.
I hope you're thorough with the investigation with water. If you water the plant properly, it can grow. And if you stop putting water to it, it will not die
Why am I
instantly.
lagging? I'm lagging. 1 minute.
What is Ahmed Wasim doing?
I'm writing.
No problem. Take your time. Abdullah, are you clear with this? And I want every student to perform this experiment because I'll be posting this on Google Classroom and then you're supposed to send pictures. Okay, what pictures you're supposed to send? Day 1, day 2, the day when you just put the water, the seeds. Day 2, when it will sprout a little. Day 3, it will grow. Then day 4, when you put it in the cabinet. Day 5 and 6, where the plant is become dead. I want you to click pictures for each day and then I'll be uploading this on YouTube, on our channel. I will have all this, I'll make a nice PPT out of it and then we'll upload it with your face that you've performed this experiment. Isn't that really
Ma'am,
nice?
can you raise the plant will die because it's too big?
Oh, that's fine. That's not an issue. That's completely fine. Okay, do not water the plant, then the plant will die. I hope you are very thorough with the experiment and everybody is doing it.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Village. In my village because it will die.
What village? What? I don't get you, beta. Please repeat.
तुम्हारी हिम्मत कैसे हुई ऐसा करने?
Okay, moving on to the second investigation. Investigation number 2 says about the light. What will happen for the first 2 days? We'll give it adequate light. So what will happen if the plant gets the light? Kids, what will happen to the plant if it gets proper sunlight? What will happen?
Will grow.
Will grow.
Yes, it will grow properly. Let me just clear this and then we'll write. Everybody is taking a note of it?
Yes.
Everybody please write it down. If liquid sunlight. Please mute yourself, beta. The plant. What will you observe if the plant gets adequate sunlight? The plant will grow. And in second, what are we going to do? We will close it in a dark cabinet. Close the plant in a dark cabinet so that sunlight does not reach it. What will happen if I close the plant in a dark cabinet and the sunlight will not reach? What will happen?
It will die.
It will? Yes, Abdullah. Simple? Simple to understand, beta? Please take a note of this so that you can have it when you perform an experiment. What are you going to do? First, take seed, immerse it in water or mud, whatever is available. Observe it. Every day, click a picture. Day 1, day 2. Keep clicking pictures until you see the desired results. And send it to me on Google Classroom. I'll be posting this today. Okay?
Okay.
I hope I'm clear to everybody. Adiba, Abdullah, Aisha, everybody?
Yes.
Perfect. Okay. Are you done with noting it down? Can I move further?
Wait, ma'am.
Fine. Take your time.
Yes, I'm done.
Yes, ma'am. Now you can move.
Great. Okay. How can we make sure that our investigation of plant is a fair test? What will ensure that we've done it properly?
दीबा yes ऐसा बंद करो पिक क्लास चल रही है ना
Okay, so what will ensure that the test is a fair test? When we do investigation, we need to make sure that the test is fair. We must make sure that we change only one thing and keep everything else same. What will happen if everything will be changed? See, one day, if your mother is angry with you, she might do something so that you understand that she's angry with you. She might not talk to you, or like she might look angry. If she's very angry, she might beat you also, right? She didn't beat you. So she'll do any one thing, or will it be like she'll completely neglect you, she'll not give you food, she'll throw you out of the house. Will she do something like that? Kids, are you all listening to me? See, if your mother is angry, she will do, yes, Aisha, you want to say something?
Mashallah, you managed to 0. Perfect. 5 minus 3.
You want to say something, Aisha?
No.
Okay. See, what am I asking? If your mother is angry with you, she might do things 1 or 2 only to make you realize that you've done something wrong, or will she just throw you out of the house? What will she do? She might either
Something wrong.
scold you, or she might not talk to you. Yes, Abdullah? What does your mother do when she's angry with you?
Can you tell one more time?
I'll tell you one more time. In order to ensure that your test is fair, you have to change only one thing. I'll give you one life example. When your mother is angry with you, she does something to let you know that she's angry. What does your mother do, Abdullah, when she's angry with you? Abdullah, what does your mother do when she's angry with you? Does she shout at you or hit you, or like she might not talk to you? What does she do?
Sad.
Sorry?
Sad.
Sad. Your mother looks sad when she's angry with you? Abdullah's laughing. He's not answering. Answer me. What does she do when she's angry?
Yaya was telling.
Okay, Yaya, you tell me. What does your mother do when you make her angry? Where is Yaya? I can see Yaya.
Yaya is not there like.
Yes, he's not there. Anybody else? Aisha, you want to say? What does your mother do when she's angry with you?
Uh,
Quick, quick, quick.
तुमको बोलेंगे तो भी ऐसे समझ नहीं आती है जैसे लगता है कि
Nobody's answering me today. What has happened to everyone? You don't feel like answering? Okay, not a problem. Let me just move on further. See, what is it? When your mother's angry, she will do one thing only to teach you that you've done something wrong. Na? She will not change the entire world suddenly. She will not beat you. She will not scold you. She will not do everything together. Why? Because you're a child. One thing at a time. If I give you 10 books to carry, you will not be able to carry it. But if I give you only one book to carry, you will be able to carry it, right? It is same with the plants also.
2 books also carry. 2 books also
Yes,
carry.
in 2 books you can manage. But if I give you 10 books together, will you be able to carry it? No, na? It is similar with the plants. We have to change only one thing at a time so that
I can pick up a lot of things at one time.
wow, that's really nice. That means you're very strong. That's really nice. Okay, so what happens to the plant? We have to change only one thing in a plant, or else the plant will get confused. So either we change the sunlight or we change the water pattern to it. Then only we can conclude that the experiment that we've conducted is a fair test. Okay, we have to change how many things in a plant? Only one. I hope this is clear with everybody. Yes, Adiba, only one thing. Either we'll be changing the sunlight pattern or the watering pattern. Any one thing you change, it will be called as a fair test. If you change more than one thing, it will not be a fair test. Okay, moving ahead.
તમારો મોબાઈલ ગાયબ થઈ ગયો દુનિયામાંથી.
Think about what might happen if a plant has too much of sunlight or rain. What will happen if the plant receives too much of sunlight? Anybody? Kids, what will happen if the plant receives too much of sunlight or rain? You know the answer?
it will still die.
Yes. If it receives too much of sunlight, it will dry up.
And lot of water.
Yes, ma'am.
It will get
When answer no.
Yes, and it will die. So anything in excess will be a problem. Okay, we'll learn about it in the next page. What does it say?
Answer no dito kita.
Abdullah, can you read this for me?
who?
Abdullah. Supposed to read it from here. Understands that the plant needs water and light to grow.
Without water, plant cannot.
Read, Peta.
Understand the
Abdullah, I'm asking you to read it.
understanding that the plants need water and light to grow. The big idea, without water, a plant will not be able to grow. What is a fair test? What is a prediction? Why do we need investigation? Do plants need water to grow? In your group, choose 2 plants and
अपने set
make sure the plants are same size, same type. This is to make it a fair test. Label one plant water me. Label other plant do not water me. Place your plants on a window. Each day give a little water to the label, give me water. Give no water to the plant label, do not water me. Copy and complete in the table in your investigation notebook. Each day write down what you see. These are your observations.
Okay. So what does the
They
investigation say?
Plant that
Read, read.
चलो चलो हाँ नहीं नहीं खाओ
नहीं लेने वाले
ये तो करो
Kids, please mute yourself. Everybody, please mute yourself.
हाँ
जल्दी जल्दी strongly
What is this, ma'am?
I'll explain it to you. I request everybody to please mute yourself. Adiba, Abdullah, everybody, please mute.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
this is
Okay. So what does this say? This says that we are supposed to perform an experiment. What sort of experiment is this? You are supposed to take 2 plants of same. Why? Because we want to conduct an experiment. Okay. What are you going to do is you are going to take 2 plants that are of equal size. Not big, not
ma'am,
small.
I can go washroom.
Yes, please go. Okay, so what is happening? We will take 2 plants that are of same size. Can you all see it over here? Same size plants. Not big, not small. Both of them are of equal size. On one plant, we'll label water me. Another plant will label do not water me. And both the plants you will keep near the window so that it gets enough sunlight. Is this clear up till now? Okay. What are we going to do next is we'll be watering one plant regularly. The plant on which we've written water me, we'll put water in it. Okay. But the plant which we've written do not water me, will not put water in it. So what will we observe? Day 1, so it will look fine. Day 1, the plant will look healthy. Both the plants will look healthy. But after few
they look healthy because of proper sunlight and water. When we do not put the water, it will dry and then die.
very good, very good. So what will happen on day 2? The plant that is reserved water, it will look healthy. But this one, the other plant will start drying up, right? So on day 2, what can we write? We'll write it over here, okay? What will we write? How does the plant 1? The plant 1 will look healthy.
When sun will die.
And plant 2 die.
Not
The
it
plant
will not die instantly, na? It will start turning brown. It will start turning brown. The leaves will droop. It will turn black and then it will die. So on day 2, what will happen? It will become brown in color. Brown color plant. Please mute yourself.
तो इन्हें होमवर्क करवा दे ध्यान दे तो मार दे तो
It will turn brown color. Then what will happen? Droopy leaves. What is droopy leaves? Can anybody explain it to me?
Leaves will drop.
Yes, the leaves will drop.
Yes.
And black
Blacksmith.
Blacksmith. And it will turn black. Turn black and dye. I hope this is clear up till here. On day 2, it will turn brown. See, I will write the number also. If I won't be able to write the numbers over here. Day 2, it will turn brown. Day 3, the leaves will droop. And day 4, it will turn black and it will die. So what can we conclude from this test? Can we say water is very important for the plant to stay alive? Can we say this?
Yes.
Yes. If one day, if I don't give you water, you will kind of survive. But if I do not give you water for 2 days, 3 days, what will happen?
Ma'am, max we can
To
only
die.
survive 7 days with water. No water.
7 days? I also can't even imagine
Yes.
it. 7 hours also. So if I do not give you water for several days, you will all die. It is similar with the plant. Is this very clear, this experiment? There
Not
is no
several
confusion?
days, 7 days.
7 days, yes, 7 days. I heard 7 days. But I really doubt 7 days is too much. Even 24 hours
Yes.
is a little extra. Okay. Can I move on to the next page, beta? Okay. So what conclusion can we draw from here? Once you've collected all your observations, you can use them to decide whether plants need water to grow well. This is called as a conclusion. What is the conclusion, Izan? Izan, I hope you're hearing me.
Teacher.
Yes, beta. Kids. Okay. So what is
my
the
plant?
Sure.
Ma'am,
Who's
I
showing
know
it to
how
me?
to look.
Please tell your name so I can turn on. Who's showing me a plant? Yatiba is
Ma'am,
showing.
my plant look like this.
Who's showing it to me? Please tell your name so I can turn on to your window. Adiba, you're showing me your plant? Wow,
And me
Adiba.
also.
Wow, that's really
Ma'am,
nice.
this is how my plant look.
And ma'am, me also.
Yes, but why is
So
it looking
many
so
plants.
beautiful? Because it receives proper sunlight and proper water. Right, Adiba? See, Adiba has placed it
Ma'am,
in a
can I
beautiful...
show?
Yes.
Ma'am,
Sure.
can I show so many plants?
Please show me, beta. Wow, Yaya is here. Hi, Yaya. How are you?
Hey, Papa.
Ma'am, this is how a plant look.
Ma'am,
Yes, very good. Yes, Adiba.
ma'am, can I show so many plants?
Please show me, beta.
Ma'am, if we don't put water, it will look like this.
Yeah, please show
Brown
us
shade.
how. Yes, yes. See, can everybody see this? This plant is turning brown because it is not.
Ma'am, can you see?
What is your name? Please tell me your name first so that I can turn to your window, beta.
Abdullah, ma'am. Abdullah.
Um,
Abdullah.
Wait, I'm just turning on to your camera.
And the last one is very healthy.
Yes, Abdullah.
And
We can see trees.
Ma'am, this is how my plant look when you didn't water it.
Who's this? Tell me the name first so that I can turn to your screen, beta. See, Afan has drawn such a beautiful plant over here. Wow, we've got 12 chats. I
This
did not check
is
the
how a
chats.
plant looks when it without it's watered.
ma'am, the plant looks very weird. It looks Ma'am, Adiba, I have many plants that is healthy.
Yes, Adiba.
Ma'am, I also have
Ma'am,
plans.
I'm not scribbling. Annotating. I'm not doing.
You're not
Afan is doing.
annotating.
Annotate.
Afan is doing now. Okay.
I'm drawing the plant how it looks.
Okay, that's fine. Okay. Wow, that's really nice. See what beautiful flower and plant everybody has drawn. Okay, I just made a
Ma'am,
very beautiful plant.
Lily.
Can you scroll a little down, ma'am?
You want me to scroll a little down?
Like in middle so I can show.
Is this,
Okay,
is
done.
this all right? Okay, no annotating on the page. Unless it is required, I request everybody to stop annotating.
Afan.
Who bell? Who?
Where is the chocolate?
See who's here.
Tab.
Okay, kids, we'll be just ending our session over here and then we'll continue in the next lecture. Okay? Hi, say hi. Okay, so I request everybody to perform this experiment in this weekend and then we'll see in our next class.
Where's teacher? Where's teacher? Where's teacher?
Oh, Amadur Rahman came.
Oh, look at her.
Please, Abdullah, give me the remote control.
Ma'am is gone.
Oh, ma'am came.
Ma'am
that's
is
why.
back.
But I am not.
Aisha,